I received the package. So this is from Sticker Ninja, and I've got a couple of cute designs in here I've been waiting on for a while. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Because everything just took a while. Okay, I only saw one of them, kind of, not all the way. So, these are my positivity stickers. So they just all have like their cute little creatures, and then they've got cute little like positivity / self-care quotes on them. Oh wow, it's so cute. Oh, so it's a good thing I had my scissors out. So this one, oh my gosh, I couldn't be happier with this. It says time to bloom. It's a cute little flower, kind of like a little tulip. Oh, I love it. Okay, so there's these. I've got a mighty fine stack of them. And this one is it's okay to slow down, and it's a little turtle, and look how happy, so happy. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Last but most certainly not least, oh, I love how the colors came out. Look how bright, look how cute. Slow progress is still progress, and that's very important, and sometimes I forget that. So, well, I said they were creatures. I guess the flowers aren't really a creature. But here they all are. They're so cute. I love them so much. I'm just debating on when I put them in my shop if I want to do like individuals or if I want to do them as packs, like the positivity pack. I really like that, the positivity pack. Which one do you like the best? Leave me a comment. I think I still like this one, but I'm not sure. I think they're all so cute. I absolutely love Sticker Ninja. They're just the best. Meow. Ta-da! Sticker pack. Oh, that hurt my shoulder. Oh gosh. I made my my topper, I don't know what you call them. It's not a hanger. Well, I am incapable of talking and doing this. But I made this the same size as the bag opening, but still it doesn't quite fit. Oh yeah, I forgot I have to trim these too. But it's the exact size of the bag, but I still have to trim it to make it look right. Thanks for hanging out with me while I made my sticker packs. I had a lot of fun making them. It's something I really wanted to do. Whenever I came up with these designs, I really wanted to incorporate them into a pack. I've always just wanted to make a sticker pack, but I think they're perfect with each other. I think they're just super cute. And I made them mainly to take to a festival that's happening in my small hometown. Hi, see. The festival is it? Thanks. It's mid-August, but I'm also going to have these on my Etsy. They're up now, so there will be a link in the description if you want to go and grab a pack. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you like my stickers. But thank you for hanging out, and I will see you next time. Bye.